What is up, my guys? It's me, Brayman, and everything. And today we're gonna be doing a video on Ark Survival. So let's get into it. If I can get out of something. So let's get into it. KFC needs to level up, please. Yeah, we need food. Come on. You know my last video, one of these videos. Oh crud, you're very heavy. I did like one of these videos. We're trying to work on my thing. Well, today it's gonna be a little bit different. We're not gonna finish it right now because it's a working process. So today I want to tame something. So let's get down here. I already saw what I wanted to tame today. Says it's one. There's something that's probably gonna kill me, but you're so hungry. Okay, let's go get some bellies. Level your weight up. Very heavy. What do I have on me? Oh. So say my friend, my friend will probably be in the gameplay. Oh yeah, shout out to my friend, XxgamerpancakexX. He's gonna see me trying to make me, I hope he's gonna try to make me an intro thing. So, like, it's gonna be cool. I have my first intro thing. It'd be really good. So, yeah, let's get into the game. If you look up his page, he's pretty good. He's a pretty good YouTuber. He's my best friend, in real life and on games. So yeah. So let's just go. Stamina, go up, okay. Bum 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 bum. Dun 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 dun. Glitch. I have a better base than my brother. Okay, give me some berries. Please tell me they take berries. Oh no. Let's just need you some of these. These berries. Grab that, grab these, grab that, grab these, grab that, grab these, grab that, grab these, grab that, grab this. How much do we have? Oh, I didn't even look what. Oh man, I really gotta check them out now. Wait, how much berries do we have? Knuckle berries. Okay, 100. Take Medjos out because I think we're gonna need them. 100 each. Because you're only taming one, because I'm gonna probably need both. We really gotta level you up. I may stop talking like I said. It's because I'm not used to these. I'm not used to these videos. So yeah, I'm trying to make the. If you want me to make the videos longer, I could. If you want me to make them shorter, I could. It's up to y'all. Y'all are my fans, and I would appreciate that. If you're not a fan of me, you should be a fan. I'm just saying. I made you. Oh yeah, if you want me to, hang on. If you want me to do any like not just Ark. If you want me to do like a Slither, Argario, Splix.io, any game that you think of, I could try to do it, just not Xbox, because I'm only doing this on computer because it's easier. Oh yeah, I do not have Minecraft, so sorry about those Minecraft lovers. I do like Minecraft. So let's just go to the thing. I can't wait until we get the saddle for these two. Very. Oh yeah, if you see a lot of dinos with the B thing, I name them. That means it's mine. I own it. See, like on Berry King, right here, it has a B on them. And I was like, I just put that because I want to. Shows my ownership. Oh yeah, thumbs up for a bigger base. We really need to make like higher walls and all that. Should have done that when I was building it. Okay. Get off of you, go to fly guy. Now we need your trank arrows. Sorry about this, steer boy. Narcotics? No, I'm not gonna take his stuff. That's cruel. Okay, take my 51. Put this in the 20. 1, 2, 3. Oh man, how many do I need? I forgot. Okay, I got 30. That's good. And then we got a good amount, so let's just go. You can hold me. Okay. Let's go, 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 go. Okay, please don't come after what I'm gonna tame. Are they separated? Yes, they're separated. Get the one down here. If those things do not come down here, please don't come down. Okay, in here, get that too. Yeah, I knocked it out. Where's the other one? Okay. Good, coming after me. But those may. Crud, I can't help it, and I need to. Let me just get the Sarcos to go after it. Okay. Hope I'm good for now. Okay, we're gonna do worth it. Okay, we're gonna have to come back for you. You can have your meat back. I hope I don't have to take those terrapins down. Those are gonna be harsh. What level are you? A level 20? Oh, crud. Let's get on you for a second before we don't die. Press I. Oh, that's easy. Can we get the saddle? Oh no, we have to go make it in the smithy. And I don't want this man to die because of those. Don't come up, please don't come up. No. Turn. Yeah, blah. Yes, you're turning. I know those things are good. It's just I don't want to get my thing and killed, so let's leave it while we can and fly back and see if we make the saddle. Make it in time without stamina. Well, we do have stamina, but I'm gonna try to make it. Okay, go down. Down, up, down. Okay, what do we need? Sit down. Saddles. Ankle, we need 10 metal. Dang it. We only have 3. What? I gotta really go on metal runs. That's what we call it. You may know what we mean. I just hope we get this ankle before we can get the metal. I hope it's still there. Oh, that looks like I got wrong. Ha. Oh. We really gotta go after these beacons. Colonel? You dead, Colonel? Okay, is it still there? Please still be there. Okay, those things are not gonna come and bother me. Or maybe. Just turn. Okay, good. Bag him right in here. I'm scared of those birds. They look like they can kill the heck out of me. Oh, thank goodness. You better start eating. What level are you? Oh, come on. Now I'm getting the females. Oh, crap. Forget it. Forget it. Just forget the narcotics. That was gonna be a hard one anyways. Well, that scared me so. How did you even find me? Well, forget that. We really gotta find something. Oh, Sarco. Not Sarco, it's Spino. If it was safe. There's more of them, really? If I could just bring it with me. If I could tame it. You can see me. Come on. Oh. Well, forget it. First try to tame an ankle, that was horrible. Only if they could come over here, that'd be great. But no, they don't want to. Okay, let's kill you. Kill you. Kill you. Get you. Yep, that's what you get. Kill you! Give me your pelts. 13, not bad. Well, that was a horrible trying to tame. I hate when I have to try to tame and those things come after. I know, it's probably dumb that I left it. I know y'all will probably go after it, but you don't know how hard they are. They're like, my deadness. It's horrible. How many pelts do we have? 102! Holy moly! Oh yeah, I need that. And there. Okay, let's go see if we can do something else. What is there to tame? What is there to tame? Not a titan. That is gonna be horrible. I'm not gonna tame a titan. Those are gonna one-shot me. If I try. We need to go on a metal run. I forgot. But I'm heavy. Dang it. Let's go put stuff back. Nope, we can carry. Worst time to go for a metal run. Where is the titan? He's over there. Yep, he's over there. The other titan better not be over here. Like 2 of them every time we come here. Is there any metal anywhere? Where are like crystals and metal always spawn over here? I don't see any. Oh, there's crystal. But we already have like that's a monkey. There's no metal. Where did all the metal go? Some sneaky there. Crap. We're gonna have to wait for it to respawn. Dang. We'll just have to fly around looking for some. Yeah, where is metal? There's a raptor there, but I'm scared. And there's a big piece of it. It's metal. Dude, this wall, it's... There you go. Grab all this metal. Health. Okay, I'm level 52. Well, at least I found metal. I just need more. Always metal on this map, and I can't find it. Oh, there's some. No, get over here. I'm on the metal, on the metal, mine it, mine it, mine it. I'm on the metal, on the metal. No. Okay. Well, that's probably all we have time for today, guys. That's all we have time for today. So we'll be back next time. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.